thought it might be cancer. Didn't know how to tell you something. I was too scared. I needed someone else to tell you, but no one did. You see, you can't make me laugh.
I wish I could, but it's not possible.
Does that mean she could die? Is the cancer gonna